Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. Today at technical time we had a fella call from Fruitport, someplace north of here, Fremont, and wanted me to explain to him how the fuse box worked. I told him watch YouTube tonight and we'll see. So let's go down, and Andrew's going to get down on our fuse box, come down right in this area in here so we can see it. This is a 77 through 80 MGB. We've got our 12 volt test light. When we touch the forward fuse on the bottom of the fuse box, it's hot. You can see this hot, and the rear is also hot. And if we touch the spade terminal in the back, that's hot. The bottom fuse is always hot. The forward side is brown. Brown wires are hot, unfused. The rear side are purple. Those are hot, unfused. Our next circuit up is our white circuit, and that only is energized when the key is on. Greg, who's sitting in the driver's seat, will turn the key on. There we go. Okay, so there's the key is on, and the forward side of the fuse, which I call the white side, is hot, and the rear side is hot. Those are the green wires. The greens run everything that operates when the key is on. The turn signals, the heater motor, the stop lights, stuff like that, the gauges. Now actually, when Greg turned on the key switch, he didn't turn on the fuse here, he turned on this relay right here. Now I'm going to take the white wire off this relay, if it'll come off. Here, come on, there we go. Here is our white wire here, he's hot. Now our fuse is dead because the relay is not energized. So we'll hook the relay back up again. This is the ignition relay, it's really there to run the electric cooling fans. Okay, now Greg's going to turn the key off. There we go. And now Greg's going to turn on the parking lights. On the left-hand side of the column, there we go. So the top two fuses are parking lights, either parking lights, either left and right or diagonal, depending on who hooked up the wires when they're making the wiring loom. Now this front connection up here is bridged. So if we take off the red wire, the red with green up here, which is our hot wire, if we take him off, of course both these are dead, but on the back of the fuse box, these connections are bridged. So both these fuses are fed from the single red with green. Then on the back side, we have our red wires, and those go off to the individual sides of the car, the parking lights, the side markers, and the let's see, the parking lights, the side markers, and the license lights. So again, from the top on the forward side, on one of the four terminals up here, we've got our single red with green. Third fuse down is what I call the white side, but it's really on 77 through 80, white with brown. And the bottom one is brown, always hot. From the top to the bottom on the back side, we've got red and red, which are our parking lights, our greens, which are everything that runs when the car is on. And again, that's the wipers, the heater motor fan, the turn signals, the brake lights, the reverse lights, stuff like that. And finally at the bottom we have our purple, which is hot, fused. That runs the horn, the bright light flashers, the interior light, and the trunk light. You can put the fuse box on upside down. If you do, when you start the car and then turn it off, it won't turn off. So it's a pretty good warning that you've got it on upside down. That's as simple as it is. This is the ignition relay. This is the starter relay back here, and this is our fuse box. I hope that's helped you guys out today. This is Andrew's last day, his last day behind the camera. So we don't know who's going to be behind the camera Monday or Tuesday. It'll be somebody new. We'll introduce all of you to whoever it is. And anyway, have a wonderful weekend and take a look at our website. Send us some work. See ya.